Hey guys, just want to make a super quick video. We're doing our build series right here, but I wanted to make a separate video just showing you how to change your PCV in your 4th gen 4Runner. For those of you that don't know, your PCV, your positive crankcase ventilation valve is right here. All you have to do is you take off the vacuum hose going to it, this sucker, take off the dust cover, and then you're going to have this. This is your PCV, and then you just have a 22mm bolt holding it on. So you're going to unscrew that with a wrench, and then we can screw on the new one. So I'll show you how we do that. All right, then for removal, all you need to do is take your open end of a 22mm wrench. You just go around it like this. If you want to make things easier, you can take this plug out right here. This is just the plug going to your ignition coil. Makes it a little bit easier, gives you a little bit more space. But if not, all you need to do is take it out hand tight, and it should come out right away. It's got the wires on top there. Voila! And so, as you can see, I don't actually believe this one's been changed before. You got a little bit of buildup on the bottom there, which is good. And then to check these, all you need to do is blow air. You should hear the valve move. If you don't hear your valve move, that also means that it's stuck closed, which can cause too much pressure to build up in your crankcase. So, the new one. Really simple. Got it right here. The first thing you want to do is make sure they match. This one is a little bit off-brand Toyota. Let's check if this one is Toyota. I'm not too sure. I can't really see past the dirt. This is just a little bit like a loose thread locking tape. We're just going to twist this one in. Torque spec is tight, but not too tight. It's just a valve. Do not crank this tight. So to put it back in, really simple procedure. Making sure it's clean when we're putting it in. There's no dirt in the threads. And we're just going to do it in with our hands. And then once it gets too much for the hands, we use the open end of the wrench again. A lot of people forget to do this stuff, especially when you're buying a new vehicle. You don't know the maintenance history, so it can be really nice to change like PCV, cleaning your mass airflow sensor, your throttle body. All these basic things contribute to your vehicle running at its best. So these parts, I think, cost like $15, not expensive at all. And so all you're going to want to do now is make sure that the threads are all the way in, and then you're going to want, obviously, this end of the valve to be pointing out just so your hose can go into it properly. So you're going to keep going for a little bit. It'll let you know when it's nice and snug. Probably one more turn here if I'm right. Let's get it nice and snug. Just a tiny bit more and we should be good. So with that, we have a little dust cover. Grab that again. You can buy new dust covers too from Toyota. I don't know the part number offhand, but not too hard. And then we take our hose and we put it back over. Just like so. Then you have your little clip here. Let me focus in. This might be worn off, but you just want to make sure that this clip right here is over top and holding it on. So just like that, our PCV has changed. Thanks for watching, guys. Whoa, my focus is stuck. Out of focus, truck, back into focus. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this, feel free to give it a like, comment if you need any more tips or any build ideas. We're always doing stuff on these 4th gens. So yeah, have a good day.